got the blue strap? All right.
You got it.
You got Bomani hair? Or you got the blue? Like,
well, you only got two
hands.
There
you go.
All
right.
There you go.
So there's no format, no special way, but I'll just lead, and then whoever wants to follow, you can just follow for whatever's led on your heart. To our ancestors, to the Most High, I give gratitude to the universe for the bonding of this family gift that was formed without any expectation. We traveled together to Africa and we left with a whole new family, a whole new bond that was strengthened. And so, Nazura, we send you all peace, with love, and with light. I know that you are with us. You will forever remain with us, and that alone gives me comfort. So, African family, I give gratitude for all of us, those present and those not. Ashe.
Ashe.
Yes, family, to my sister Nazura. We started talking about 2013, 2014, and unfortunately couldn't make the journey with us in 2014. But I'm so happy that she was able to journey with us October 2016, because you had such a wonderful impact on all of us, myself and the entire group, and also many of our brothers and sisters here in Ghana. And definitely sorry to hear that we weren't able to really just continue working together and continue bonding together. But in your memory, we'll continue your work, we'll continue the revolution and continue the nation building process, and honor you in the spirit of our work and our dedication to the same things that you dedicated your life to. Bomani Tayemba.
Shay.
Thank you, Nazura, for sharing life with us, sharing the trip with us. And I just thank you that you're working now on the other side with us and through us, so that we'll continue to do our life's purpose so we can be definitely fulfilled. Thank you.
Shay. All hearts and minds are clear. We'll go and we'll release the balloons, and that will be our release for Nazura, praying that she has a peaceful transition into the next world, and just bringing healing to the holes that are left in our heart. This is a celebration. So we give gratitude, and these tears are a reflection of joy and happiness because of the gift that we had in Sister Nazura. Ashe.
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 All right, we
Can
can
you
journey
help
over
us
there,
with some pictures
guys.
while we clean up? Can you help me up with some pictures?
You want some more pictures?